Let's begin. Once you are on the page, you will see two main fields, username and password. Enter your login credentials to access the platform. Before continuing, switch the portal language to English. You can do this by clicking the button labeled Castellano, or if you cannot find it, click the setting icon, the gear symbol shown here. Then select language and choose English. From the main menu, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Invoices, Documents, or something similar. Click on this option to open the corresponding submenu or go to the Invoice Management page. Look for this button. It means Upload Invoice, Add Invoice, or New Document. When you click on it, your computer's File Explorer will open. You can upload PDF, XML, JPG, or PNG file. Select the invoice you want to upload and click Open. The name of the select file will appear on the form, confirming that it has been uploaded successfully. Your new invoice will now appear in the main list, where you can view it, download it, or edit it later if necessary. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any question or need assistance with your accounting or administrative procedures, you can book a completely free consultation with Entre Trámites. We will be happy to help you.